Trade Genius.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip with Trade Genius. All right, so today I wanted to talk about Zcash because the Circle app, which we did a video a while back on showing you how they were going to make it really user friendly to get people an interface to buy crypto easily. So you can tie it to your bank account and boom, you'll have direct fiat to crypto conversion on a number of different tokens: Bitcoin, Bcash, Ethereum, ETH Classic, and Litecoin. Now they're going to add Zcash, and so it's worthy of note because whenever you are lowering the barrier to entry on any of these coins, especially if you're enabling straight cash to crypto exchange for a token, that's going to increase the volume for that token and ultimately increase buying activity. So it becomes a good investment opportunity. So Zcash is being added to the Circle Invest platform, and they make it look, their motto is crypto without the cryptic. If you look at their interface, very user friendly. Buy or sell, and then you just pick from your crypto that you want to buy. So Zcash will be listed in this menu. This is like an Android interface, but Apple is very similar. All right, so that being said, looking at the big picture on the daily now, we've had a big pullback from the almost highs that we got, almost to 0.06, got up to 0.0587 area, and then kind of sold off from there, and hasn't really been off this bottom compared to other cryptos, other alts. I mean, kind of hasn't really seen some of the movements that we've seen in some other ones. That being said, I think this is going to ultimately help it. You do see some nice pulses of volume on the daily, so we definitely have an uptick here. But we are in an area where it's in a spot where we have this buy fib zone, and this would be an area that I'd be looking to get position long. This would be at least a longer term hold, at least to see up into this resistance area. The fib target on that might be hard to see, but it's around 0.037. All right, so again, I like to bring you guys some trading ideas. I think the exposure on the Cash Invest platform, or Circle Invest platform I should say, I think is going to give this thing some nice exposure. And I think on the daily chart, it's setting up pretty nicely. We are under a daily buy condition, which is here. And if you want this indicator, you can get it on TradeGeniusAcademy.com. And with the express option, express package, you won't even need to have this set up on your chart to get notified when these buy signal conditions fire. Stochastics are getting down into the oversold area here, so looking for a bounce here, guys. And I think realistically, you could put a short stop in here, or if you want to position for a longer term position, as because this whole crypto space, the alt space, and I know we've pulled back in the last 24 hours or so, but the market cap is up, trending up, and I think we're getting into our next up cycle. So you could do a quickie swing trade here to this fib target, or hold longer, because I think ultimately a lot of these coins are going to start hunting back for these previous highs. So I think it's a pretty good spot in this area for an ad for Zcash. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.